Okay, hello custom to venture family. Welcome once again. Thanks so much for all the time you spend watching my video. I want to say God bless you. Okay, today I will be putting on a simple task that every one of us should be able to do, whether you are a seamstress, whether you are into sewing or not. You know, there are times that is the fixing of button, simple fixing of button I want us to do today. You know, there are times that our button just follow and you like the cloth so much you want to wear it out. So what do we do? I want to talk about fixing of simple buttons. This one has the two holes. Okay, it has two holes. So when fixing the button, of course you need your hand needle, you need your thread, and of course probably the zip scissors to cut it. Okay, I will be fixing my thread into the needle now, and then I double the thread. Okay, if I double the thread, I will not have to waste much time on the button before it's well tied. But if it's a single thread, you will take more time. Let's see what I'm doing. Okay, you know, I've created the buttonhole here, so you put it together, then center it so that from the back to get the center of the where you are going to fix the button. Okay, the button has your needle should come out from the buttonhole, so I can now remove this one. Okay, and I get my button here, so you can see it. So what I do, I've knotted the end of the thread. I've knotted the end so that it doesn't remove. So you go this way, then okay, you go this way, then you come back from the back again. The first hole you wear, come this way, and then go back again. You can see because the thread is doubled, I can just go about 3 times and it will be okay with the button. But if you are using single thread, you might have to go about 4-5 times. Okay, okay, you can see it's very firm. Ready. So what do I do at the back? I do it like this and I knot it. Just go the second time to be sure it's firm. That's it. So instead of just condemning your cloth, so I open the buttonhole here and fix it. That's that about this kind of button that has two holes. Okay, instead of condemning all your clothes, hey, the button has fallen off and you don't have any seamstress around to fix for you, and so you condemn the clothes you love. You don't have to do that. Okay, and I told us we are going to do two type of button. Look at this one. If you see, this one is different from the other one I fixed. Okay, this one I don't have to be going in and out. Okay, so let me assume this is where I'm going to fix my button. Okay, let's assume this is not where I'm going to fix it. I'm only using it for practice. Let's say this is where the button is going to be fixed. Sorry, I will be using the same thread so that we don't waste much of our time. Okay, let's assume I fixed the thread and I've doubled it. So I just knot it like this. You can knot it like this if you don't know the other fast way, or you do it this way. Just go like this, you go like this. Okay, you go like this, just like this. The knot is done. Okay, so in this case of this type of button, I know some of these kind of buttons can be very expensive at times. You don't want to lose them. So as soon as you see that it falls off from your cloth or is about falling off, just pick it, remove it completely, and then get your needle and thread. Look at it. This is the back of the fabric. So I go this way and then come this way. Huh? This way. You can see it's already holding it. So I go this way again. Okay, you see it. Okay, so I go this way. Okay, so I come here. It's not stressful. I don't want you to lose all those your fine fabric. So you go to the inside again, go inside the leg again, put it inside the hole. You come this way, pass it through the hole into the fabric. You come out like this again, pass it here, pass through the hole again. And then lo and behold, you can see it's already firm. So this is how you knot it. Knot it this way. Knot it this way. And then go this way to be very sure. Do it 2 times. Okay. And your button is fixed. These are just simple things we can do in the hole. You can see. So instead of losing that cloth, you don't have to lose it. You can do it at home. And for those of us that are into the sewing, they're just simple tricks we can use. Simple. And so there are also other type of button. You have the one with 4 holes. You just follow the first pattern I told us. Go this, we can go S, you can go straight as you like. Okay, thanks so much for spending your time watching my video again. I appreciate you. Thanks so much. See you in my next video where I'll be doing hemming of clothes. How to hem, and then hem it neatly that the thread will not be coming out from the other side. Let's get there. See you later. Bye.